Alrighty, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you how we can add a different product to our sales page. So in this case, we have a Groupon style sales page, which allows us to give people a way to purchase our offer or our discount before they even redeem it. It's called the Groupon style. And then, so what we do here is we're just gonna go under products and we're gonna add new product. Now, it will only show you what you've added under payments. So you go to payments right here, and then you're gonna go to products, and then you will add the products that you want sold on any page or website page. And once you add it right here, you click on add product, and then this would be your example, right? You don't have to put a description. You don't have to put media in here. You don't have to put any in here. You just put in the amount that you want to sell it for, $6 compared to 12 if you have a discount. You want to say if it's a monthly or recurring or one time, and then you hit save. And once you hit save, then you can go into your web builder or funnel builder or anything you're building on Kenji. You can go ahead and select it as one of your products on that page. Now keep in mind, if you want it on a certain page, you have to have something called a one-step form or a two-step form. This is a one-step where you put in the information, and then there's a two-step form which allows you to also get what we call leads before they purchase. So this is a two-step right here, and let's add it right here just to compare. This is a two-step, and then there's the one step above us. So if you want to change the one step to a two-step, you can do that. Or sometimes what I do is having two pages side by side, one with the two-step, one with the one-step, and seeing which one does better. I hope this helped into showing you how to update and add a product to Kenji CRM. Until next time, you'll see me on the next video. Peace out.